sure there are a lot of daddy issues here, yeah.
अब तो आप डैडी बन गए हैं.
This is a complete nonsense song for my daughter. For some reason, she likes it.
I should just go.
कौन है वो चॉकलेट का डॉगी? कौन है वो चॉकलेट का डॉगी?
मतलब बहुत खींच खींच के हमने बनाई फिल्म. You know, इधर से उधर से अपना भी डाला. मतलब if I'm being honest, FDs तक तोड़ने पड़े थे एक टाइम पे, लेकिन we managed. यहीं तक था जो था बस.
So I was very nervous coming here. Ali, who I was nervous about, Guddu Bhaiya. But then I remember Abdul. Abdul was as tender can be. So which Roop are you in tonight?
I'm myself.
And-
These are
So when you're yourself, are you Richard's Abdul? Are you the Guddu Bhaiya that Richard's afraid of?
no, we can't let that out. That's personal.
Everybody forgets we also have Bholi Punjaban in the house, guys.
Yeah.
How old is your daughter?
She's 5 months.
And
Yes, we're missing her.
a lot.
Well, it's the first time we've come out without her. So yeah.
So can Guddu Bhaiya in today's India show his emotions and be missing his daughter? Is it acceptable?
Yeah, I think so.
Should
I think
men-
whoever's seen the show would know. Like, yeah, he's all mush. That character.
And isn't it important for a man to be mush, be accepting of his other side?
It's about time.
About time. And how do we do that? Because we are a culture that's so enriched with this whole story of rape in India, which the world is talking about, which is not a story, it's real. How do we get past that?
Oh, we educate the men. That's the problem. We don't. The men are having a serious problem of education, and it has to start at grassroots levels, and that's a systemic issue.
La Martiniere, Doon, and St. Xavier's in Bombay.
Yeah.
You have incredible education. And when I heard you speak, I said, this gentleman, ये इंसान इतनी खूबसूरती से बोलते हैं, अपनी masculine, feminine दोनों sides को own करते हैं. How do we educate men to be like that? Tender, kind, gentle, and fierce all at once.
Oh man, you've really dived into it. Okay, firstly, hi everyone. Thank you for having us. I'm not the person who can answer.
But Richa can as a mother.
Yeah.
Richa, what do you think as a mom, you know? Do women have any of the shouldering of this education bit, or men are alone on their own?
See, no one is ever alone. It takes a man and a woman to have a child, and it takes a man and a woman to educate the child. और हम सब जहाँ होते हैं और जिस तरह से हम अपने आप को conduct करते हैं, the way we come across to the world, it's a sign of our upbringing. वो हमारी परवरिश की निशानी है. तो you know, a very famous French court trial today ended with
Yes,
Giselle
Pellicot.
Pellicot. And what she said was amazing. She said, let shame change sides. It's not the woman who should be ashamed of rape. It should be the man who has lost control. So I think
And
women ought
society.
to raise their sons better. Men ought to raise their sons better. And it is a gender issue because, you know, we have to raise our boys.
And we also-
बेटा पढ़ाओ, बेटी बचाओ.
हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक. How wonderful. Beta padhao is the issue.
Yeah.
And Richa, you are a tough gal. I'm told you, when I was coming here, all my friends who I asked, I said, tell me about Richa Chadda. This is sweet, you know, she's the most incredible actress. But they said beyond the actor part, she's a voice of reason, a tough gal. And these are all, amazing accolades to get. How do you manage it in a society and a world where women are silenced? It's not a sazish. Often we do silence them. Has it been tough?
I mean, I don't know about tough. How many girls in the audience are from Delhi? Any Delhi natives? हाँ तो यार DTC बस में अगर दिल्ली में travel किया है, Delhi only toughens you ना. It gives you a crash course in how to conduct yourself. Plus, I was raised in a household with 4 brothers. The eldest one studied here, Trishab Chadda, IIT Delhi. I don't know what he did though, I'm sorry. I was constantly compared कि देखो तुम्हारा भाई IIT जा रहा है और तुम humanities ले रही हो. But anyway.
And where did
forgot
you
the
go to
question.
college?
I went to St. Stephen's.
Oh, only St. Stephen's. How amazing. What did you study at St. Stephen's?
I did my honors in history.
How incredible. Tariq.
तालीम, तारीख, जो भी.
And what did history teach you as an actress? What have you learned from history?
History is like a chashma. You wear it and you see the world a little bit better. You understand कि क्यों हमें शर्म आने लगती है अपनी ज़बान बोलने में, क्योंकि अंग्रेज़ और मकौले हमें कुछ सिखा के गए हैं. क्यों हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस लो होता है, क्यों हम अपनी चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं. So that's what history teaches you. And history also teaches you that history will repeat itself. So you have to be smart enough to not let that happen, warn the others.
And आजकल हम लोग तारीख को erase कर रहे हैं. We are changing history, we are rewriting history, and we are eliminating study of history and seriousness. What are your views on that?
My views are simple. The truth is like the sun, it will come out no matter what. आप कितनी भी हिस्ट्री छुपा लें, आप खोदते हैं और कुछ ना कुछ आपको नज़र आ जाता है. So.
And आप इतनी beautifully आप दोनों हिंदी, उर्दू, अंग्रेजी तीनों भाषाएं बोलते हैं.
Yes.
And is it difficult to do this, or you've just been raised with that माहौल?
I think this is India. We all speak multiple languages. Whoever, like आपकी मदर टंग गुजराती है, मराठी है.
आप मराठी भी
तमिल
बोलती
है.
मैंने सुना.
मतलब थोड़ा बहुत ट्राई करती हूँ.
नहीं अच्छी तरह बोली थी, बहुत मीठी मराठी. आप
Good, yes, good with languages.
You grew up with a father who was in the Middle East,
Ji.
and you said you have issues with the relationship with the father. I heard somewhere, and he said all men have issues. Some either have an issue of wanting a father, get away from the life, and other clings on to it. Some want both. What was that about? I was fascinated.
I'm sure there are a lot of daddy issues here, yeah. है
अब
ना?
तो आप डैडी बन गए हैं. I'm looking for one, but आप तो डैडी बन गए हैं.
I think that's also the problem of everybody being very angry these days, है ना? I had a communication issue, quite literally.
But do you think it was your communication issue or the elder? Is the child responsible or the elder?
I don't know. I mean, I think it's very harsh to blame a child,
Entirely.
but child is, many ages.
Yeah.
And even that man who's a father has been a child. And,
I would say it's a communication
Yeah,
issue.
it is a
In the
communication
90s, people were still on STD phone calls. No one had mobile phones to quickly, like pager and all came later.
And no social media to give gyan for free.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to get chits from our houses in school. तो boarding school में थे. So we had to go to the STD booth and I had to go to the ISD, international.
हाँ, because you were calling.
तो उसमें पैसे ज़्यादा चल जाते थे और बैंक से कट जाते थे.
और वो जब आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे होते थे 6 बजे 5 बजे शाम को तब कॉल करते थे.
हाँ, वो लखनऊ की बात है. मैं लखनऊ में बड़ा हुआ हूँ before Dehradun.
ला मार्टिनियर में.